Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for King County in northeastern Illinois until 10:30 p.m. At 9:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Hampshire to near Maple Park, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elgin, Carpentersville, Hunley, Canton Hills, South Elgin, Ingree Grove, Gilberts, West Dundee, Hampshire, and Elburn around 10 p.m. St. Charles, Algonquin, Geneva, East Dundee, Wayne, and Valley View around 10:05 p.m. Bartlett and Barrington Hills around at 10:10 p.m. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for north central and northeastern Illinois. This is no